Hello, hello friend. Welcome to our channel Quality Guru. Friend, our topic is SWOT, SWOT analysis and overview. SWOT. A SWOT analysis is a strategic planning framework used to identify an organization's internal strength and weakness and external opportunity and threat. It helps business and protect gain insight into their current market position, identify area for growth, improve weakness, and develop strategic to leverage advantage and mitigate risk. The analysis typically involve creating a four-quadrant matrix to visualize these internal and external factors. Origin and history of SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis was developed from the soft approach conceived by Robert F. Stewart and other at Stanford Research Institute, that is SRI, in the year 1960, where they applied it to business planning and corporate development, initially categorizing information as satisfactory, opportunity, false, and threat. This acronym was later modified to SWOT by Malcolm S. Johnson and other after a 1964 seminar with fault becoming weakness. Albert Humphrey is often credited with popularizing the framework and its subsequent development and use. A major evolution was Dr. Hans Weinreich creation of SWOT matrix in 1982, which provided a more organized way to conduct the analysis. The soft approach 1960s. The precursor to SWOT was soft framework developed by Robert F. Stewart and his colleague Otis J. Winnipeg and Arnold Mitchell at SRI in the 1960s. Soft analysis. The original acronym SOFT stood for S stand for satisfactory, what is good about the present. O stand for opportunity, what is good about the future. F stand for fault, what is bad about the present. T stand for threat, what is bad about the future. The evolution to SWOT 1964. A soft analysis was presented at a seminar in Zurich in 1964. During this seminar, the F fault was changed to W, that is weakness, leading to modern SWOT SWOT acronyms according to sources like the National Institute of Health, that is NIH. Albert Humphrey roles. While the exact attribution is debated, Albert Humphrey is often credited with developing and promoting the SWOT analysis framework. He applied it to corporate planning to understand why corporate planning failed and how to improve strategy as outlined in the BITS Pilani PDF. The SWOT Matrix 1982. Dr. Hans Weinreich introduced the 2 into 2 SWOT matrix in 1982, a development that made it easier to visualize and use the analysis for strategic planning. Strength. The four elements of a SWOT analysis: strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. Strength. Internal positive factors that give an organization an advantage over competitor. Example includes strong brand reputation, unique technology, or efficient internal processes. Weakness. Internal negative factor that put an organization at a disadvantage. These could be limited resources, outdated technology, a weak brand, or poor management. Opportunities. external factor in the environment that an organization can exploit to its benefits. Example includes new market, favorable economic trends, or changing customer needs. Threats. External factor that could negatively impact on organization success. These might include competitor innovation, new regulations, economic downturns, or shift in social sentiments. How a SWOT analysis is used. A SWOT analysis serves as valuable decision making tools for various purposes, including strategic planning, market positioning, project management. Identify area for improvement. Strategic planning to understand a company current position and plan for future growth. Market positioning to assess how a product, service, or organization is positioned in its market. Project management to evaluate the pros and cons of a specific project or initiatives. Identify area for improvement to pinpoint area where an organization need to improve and or adopt. Key benefits and consideration. Provide a clear picture as decision making adaptable can be subjective. Provide a clear picture. It offers a comprehensive overview of the internal and external factors affecting an entity. Adds decision making. The insight gained helps in making informed and strategic decisions. Adaptable. A SWOT analysis can be applied to an entire business, a specific project, a new initiative, or even at an individual level. Can be subjective. To ensure objectivity, it is important to use real data and metrics to support the points listed in each category. Key aspect of SWOT analysis: internal versus external. The strength and the weakness are internal factors that affect the entity, while opportunity and the threat are external factors in the environment. Purpose: it is a strategic planning tool used by businesses and other organizations to access their competitive advantages and disadvantages by analyzing their internal capabilities and external market factor. Application: while primarily used in business, SWOT analysis can also be applied to individuals and even places to gain a comprehensive understanding of their situations. Case study of SWOT analysis in pharma. A SWOT analysis for pharmaceutical company as shown by Device Laboratory and Sun Pharma case study examines internal strengths like a global presence and robust R&D, internal weakness such as reliance on generic revenues and regulatory challenges, external opportunities like expansion into emerging market and new drug discovery, and external threat from increased competition, price pressures, and stringent regulations. These analyses help companies formulate strategy to capitalize on their strength and opportunity while mitigating weakness and threat in the dynamic global pharma landscape. Case study: Device Laboratory. Strength: global presence, a wide reach in over 100 countries, provide access to diverse market. Commitment to quality: strict quality control and adherence to regulatory standards ensure high quality product. Diverse product portfolio: offers various active pharmaceutical ingredients, that is API and intermediate, across different therapeutic areas. Weakness: reliance on specific market or customer bases. Potential impact of global economic downturns on demands. Opportunity: expand into new geographic market, develop and launch new therapeutic compound. Threat: increase competition in the API market, changes in the international regulation affecting exports. Case study: Sun Pharma. Strength: market leadership, a leading player in the Indian pharmaceutical market. Diversified portfolio. Product range from generic to specialty drug. Strong R&D investment. Continuous investment in the research and development to improve products. Improved financial performance, increasing profit and revenue over recent year. Weakness, regulatory challenges, face issues with US FDA, dependence on generics. Significant revenue from generics makes the company vulnerable to price changes. Stiff competitions, faces strong competition from national and international players. Opportunity, overseas expansion. Opportunity to expand into emerging market in Asia, Africa and other European countries. New drug development. Potential to develop and market innovative drugs. Threat, price control. Government imposed price control on pharmaceutical can impact revenues. Increase scrutiny, heightened regulatory scrutiny on manufacturing practices. Journal Pharma Industry analyzes Indian context. Strength, low production cost and a large production capacity, skilled and large workforce, an untapped domestic market. Weakness, fragmented industry structure, reliance on export for growth, lack of strong intermediates and limited investment in R&D's. Opportunities, growing domestic health awareness and aging population, transition to new patient regimes, expansion in health insurance coverage. Threat, high healthcare cost and stricter regulatory requirement, intense competition from other low cost producer, risks associated with the patient law change. Thanks a lot and keep watching our channel Quality Group. Like, subscribe and comment, please do more and more. Thank you.